Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to pair a trusted device now. First, make sure your smart lock firmware and companion app are updated because mismatched versions block pairing. Once done, sign into the lock account on your phone and enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services so the lock can discover the device. Now open the lock app and choose Add Trusted Device. Follow on screen prompts to start discovery. This immediate start saves time and prevents retries caused by disabled radios or signed-out accounts. Once the lock finds your device, you must authorize access and configure how it works. You'll name the device so it's identifiable in logs, then assign a role full admin versus guest, because permissions control remote actions. After that, pick access timing, permanent, scheduled windows, or single-use codes to limit entry. Make sure to enable biometric unlock or a PIN fallback for reliability, and check battery and Bluetooth range recommendations so the feature behaves consistently. Finish by testing the trusted device with several locks and from different distances to confirm consistent behavior, then review the access logs to ensure events are recorded. If you lose a device, revoke its key immediately and reissue credentials to replacements. This protects access and preserves audit trails. If pairing or unlocks fail, restart the phone and lock, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, and reinstall the app as needed. If problems persist, factory reset the lock only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.